In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any design into a reusable template that your team or class can use without changing your original. Start by opening the design you want to turn into a template. This should be the version you're happy with. Think of it as your master copy. It's a good idea to finalize your layout, colors, and fonts, and swap out anything personal or time-specific with placeholders. For example, replace a specific date with date here or a name with name. That way, anyone using your template knows exactly where to customize. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you'll see several options. Here, choose Brand Template. This tells Canva you want the design saved as a template resource, not just shared as an editable file. If you don't see the Brand Template option, make sure you're working within a team or the correct account type and that you have the right permissions. A quick refresh can also help. Once you click Brand Template, you'll choose who can use it. If you're on Canva for Education, you'll see options tailored to schools, such as sharing with teachers and admins only, or assigning it to a class. Pick the option that matches who needs access. If you want to share it with specific people, select the specific team members option. Start typing the names or a group, select the right entries, and then confirm. This sets clear access, so the template reaches only the people who need it. When your audience is set, click Publish, and then Close. That's the moment your design becomes a template. From here on, anyone you've shared it with can use it to create their own copies, and your original stays untouched. It keeps your brand consistent while making it easy for others to customize safely. A couple of helpful tips. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. If you ever need to adjust who can access the template, return to Share and update the settings. No need to recreate anything. And if you're managing multiple templates, consider a simple naming convention to keep your library organized. That's it. Open your design, share, choose brand template, select who gets access, publish, and you're done. You now have a clean, reusable template ready for your team or class to use with confidence.